young Groms. I don't know how it worked out this way, but I'm taking a train to the city to meet up with Emerson, who's then gonna drive me from New York City to New Jersey for this crazy swell. My car is like really on its last leg and has no heat. So the last thing I want to do is drive there alone and, you know, break down. I had some of the boys offer to drive me from Long Island, but ultimately it didn't work out. And yeah.
If that were the case, I do have that 6'8", which we know fits in the car.
True. You'd be like, all right, well, it's fun having breakfast. Right now, we only have one goal today, and that's to get barreled. We're both going with like good juju.
Fingers crossed, baby.
We got one board each, and like something we think like when you bring a one board quiver, it's just like you're gonna get good waves. When you bring like 9 boards to the beach for like a swell, you're probably gonna get skunked. We just got here. It's time to do the first look. We kind of messed up where there's waves in New York, but I think we're actually gonna score. But yeah, this is like when we're gonna see if the drive was worth it for that like that 2 hours or 4 hours it took me. What? What? It's flat. It's flat. No. No. It's supposed to be like double overhead.
Wait, what? No, look over there though. It looks better down there.
I don't think we've seen a set. I'm so cold though. I don't think we've seen a set yet. Look at that. That looks good.
I thought they were jetties. Look at that. See, it's more consistent down there too.
That's a really, really good wave. That's really good. Out of our first session. Yikes. It was brutal. I thought I saw waves. There were definitely like sick barrels coming in, but it was just so hard to get into them. Yeah, just pretty brutal out there. We're gonna try another spot.
Shot,
All right, you feeling better?
feeling good. I mean, let's go get some. Still haven't had a wave, so session number 2. Let's go.
Let's do it. All right, guys, I just put some sunscreen on. Always put sunscreen on, even in the winter. But yeah, the goal has moved from getting a barrel to just standing up on a wave. So that's the plan. Let's do it.
Пошел, молодец, молодец.
all stoked after my barrel.
Thought it was better. Thought it was like bigger and better and fatter. And...
That's always how it goes. And then you look at the photos. We just wrapped up a crazy day at Jersey. It was pretty crazy. Tony got a 6 shot of me.
Full score, shots up. We're gonna have some good posts. Good December so far. I think we're gonna have another
swell coming, yeah.
Swell coming.
Wait, I think it's this right. It's coming up. Look for Jimmy's Pizza.
Better eat some pizza in Jersey, not New York.
Yeah, we're stoked right now.
Yeah, dude.
But all right, I gotta hit the GPS, find the pizza, and as always, we'll see you on the next swell.
More swell.